Has your claim ever been declined by an insurance company? Your vehicle was involved in an accident, then the insurance, your insurer sends an assessor or whoever comes and assesses your vehicle, then they tell you, we are not going to pay your claim because of one reason or the other. So guys, I just came from a meeting where I was appointed as an arbitrator. I was acting like an intermediary between the insurance and a client. The client was disputing that they declined the client's claim on the basis of worn out tires. So the client was disputing about the outcome of that claim. So Ideal Loss Assessors was appointed to go and have a second opinion on that claim. So that is why you see me with this gadget. This gadget is a tread gauge. It's called a tread gauge. This is used to measure the depth of the depth of the tires, the depth of the tread of your tires. So you see, in an insurance company, there are things that you as a car owner should be aware about before or after you've been involved in an accident. So guys, I said today I should come and share with you about this experience. So on handling this second opinion claim, basically my work there was everything was okay. The claim was the other circumstances were okay. The insured had paid premiums. He was the one driving the vehicle. Everything was in order until the claim was declined because of worn out tires. So after the dispute, the client was denying. The client was disputing about the outcome of the result. That is why I was appointed to go and have a second opinion on the vehicle. So as you know, at Ideal Loss Assessors, we stand for the truth. If something is wrong, if something is not roadworthy, we tell you this thing is not road. Regardless, it's our due diligence to make sure that we give the honest opinion, our honest, independent opinion. We don't favor anyone. If the vehicle's tires are worn out, we tell the client from a professional perspective, the tires of your vehicles were worn out, and this is how it goes. So my good people, there are small knowledge that you people should be having, or ideas when you're having a vehicle. They normally help. So like this claim, I wanted to say, do you people know the correct or the required standard of threads that are required to be tires should have for your claim, or if you, in case you're involved in an accident, your insurance can pay you back. That is can indemnify you. So on that note, it's very important. You should know the standard. The standard required thread level of your tires on this the Kenyan roads is 1.6 millimeters. So when you play grooves that are in between your tires, it reads the level. And for those who don't have these now, I know not everyone is able to have these at each and every time. You can use your coin, a 20 bob. I know this one you can't. Everyone, if you're driving a vehicle, you can have this 20 bob, can easily get it. So you place this coin in between the grooves of your tire. If this silver thing can still be visible, that the silver groove is still visible, then your tires are worn. It's supposed to match, but past this silver groove, you're good to go. But I can advise you to be cautious while driving, and time to time try check the level of your tires. Some people will be very busy. You find yourself in a problem. That is when you realize, oh, the tires of my vehicles are worn out. Now you try to gamble. You're involved in a claim, you're involved in an accident, you want to be compensated, you try to gamble around. That is going to affect your claim. So my good people, that is why I said today I should have this topic of declinature. When the insurance repudiates your claim. Reasons that an insurer that can lead your claim to be declined by an insurance. Reason number one is if your cover was had expired at the time of the accident. Time to time, most insurance companies keep on reminding their clients if their covers are going to lapse, they should renew them. That is number one. Number two, misrepresentation of material facts. When you involve in an accident, make sure you say the accident the way it was. For you to be compensated, these insurance companies are normally looking for these small gaps in your claim, so that they capitalize on that and they end up not paying your claim. And my good people, we are here to educate each other. I'm not siding, I'm an independent body. I represent the insurance, I represent you as a client, but we should have a balance. We should have a balance scale. Let everyone play their role. Let the insurance pay you your claim when you're involved in a claim, but when they're supposed to pay you a clean claim. When your claim is not clean, don't blame anyone. And that is why I'm telling you this kind of information. So guys, make sure you know or you're aware of your vehicle and everything that is in your vehicle while driving, just in case of anything. Accidents normally don't alert someone that you're going to be involved in an accident. You could be the one who is on the wrong, or a reckless driver just hit your vehicle. So these all factors are very important. And also a vehicle can also you can also be involved in a self-involved accident. So make sure your vehicle is at the roadworthy standard while you are driving your vehicle. So when you're involved in an accident, don't lie. Just say the truth. You are there, you paid the premium, you're supposed to be compensated. Just say the truth, and the truth will set you free. This one happens this way. For example, you're involved in an accident at, let me use Nairobi, mostly Nairobi people. Let me use Nairobi and Thika Road. Your accident happens at, let's say, Thika. You are driving to Embu. Maybe you hit a post or a pole, or you out of maybe not carelessness, you hit a rail guard, but your vehicle is still drivable. You decide, it's very late and my vehicle is still drivable. I can drive to Embu, then report there, then get all the details. Then I now communicate to my insurers for me to be compensated. My friend, that is a no idea or thing to do when involved in an accident. If you're involved in an accident and you report at, let's say, like that example I've given you, you're involved in an accident at along Thika Road or at Thika Town, let me say, for example, at Blue Post area. You're involved in an accident along Blue Post area, then you go and report your accident in Embu Town or in Embu Police Station. My friend, if as a technical person or investigator is appointed to investigate your claim, and they found that your claim or the scene of the accident, wherever your accident happened, is not where you reported, that claim is going to be declined on the basis of misrepresentation of material facts. Saying, make sure you report your claim to where it happened. That one is for the essence of misrepresentation of material facts. Another thing is intoxication. Do not. It's very clear, even in the Traffic Act. Do not drive when you are intoxicated. Intoxication means drunk driving. Umepita mahali, you've taken your 2-3 bottles, then you decide you're going to drive. My friend, if you're involved in an accident and an investigator finds out that you are driving under the influence of alcohol, you will not be paid. Period. This one is normally caught this way. While an investigator is appointed, they come and investigate your claim. This is what they're going to ask. They're going to check. They're going to ask you for call-logs and M-Pesa statements. Basically, if you have been involved in an accident, and majorly self-involved accident, and maybe during these weird hours at around 2, at around 3 in the morning, at around midnight, at around 11. such kind of documents will be required by an investigator. So if you are requested for those documents, basically those are the things that they're going to check. The bills that you pay, the bills that you settle in a club. So guys, make sure you don't drink, and it's even safe for your personal security safety. You can't be driving and you don't see. Watu wanasema hii gari inajua barabara, hii gari inajua kwa. My friend, you're just predicting your death before it reaches. So guys, another thing is it could be a mechanical issue. You see, the insurance does not pay mechanical breakdowns. When you're involved in an accident, or your vehicle just stalled, you are driving your vehicle, then all of a sudden it just stalls. That is not accidental. Insurance acts for a claim to be settled by an insurance company. It has to be accidental. So mechanical breakdown are never settled by the insurance. Ukuendesha gari yako is all of a sudden and you are driving, engine ime overheat, engine ime just knock, that is not a claim, that is a mechanical issue. Kindly just do your best, repair the vehicle and get back to the road. Another thing for commercial vehicles, what normally happens on commercial vehicles like lorries, these transit vehicles that are used to carry luggages, make sure you carry the right or the correct weight of that vehicle according to the manufacturer specification. Most of them, they normally go to this way bridge, but with this our country, you never know. Pale kwa Weybridge, watu wako huko wa Kenya ni wale you bribe or you just know how to pass through that Weybridge, you're not captured. If an insurance officer notices that your vehicle was overloaded during the before it was involved in an accident, you will not be paid on that claim. Another thing is a wrong usage of wrong cover. You take a private cover, then that is a private policy, then you're going to use it on commercial basis. This is how, let me break this one down to you. Like, you're having a personal car. Let me take an example of a Noah Wish 7-seaters. Most insured tend to, these vehicles with 7-seaters, they tend to, maybe you want to go home, unasema wacha nichukue watu wawili watatu hapa waniwekee mafuta niende. My friend, you are digging your own hole. In case of an accident, fare paying passengers are in your vehicle, and that one is discovered by an investigator or by the insurance. You are not paid. Reason being, you are using a private cover for commercial purpose. That one, haulipwi, you are not paid. Another thing is, I had said about expiry of the cover. Insurance operate on at most, the contract between an insurer and an insured is normally based on at most good faith. So kindly, they use what you tell them to judge your claim or to judge your contract, the policy contract. So don't contradict yourself while filling maybe a policy document or recording anything anywhere about the usage of your vehicle you're going to use. If you're going to use your vehicle on private basis, make sure your vehicle is normally used for private basis. Car hires, unauthorized drivers, your claim will not be paid. Young and inexperience is not a crime. You're driving a vehicle, but drivers that do not, that is, if you are unlicensed driver also, you cannot be paid if you drive a vehicle and you are not licensed. You could be knowing how to drive a vehicle, but you're not licensed. If you are not licensed, you won't be compensated. Make sure you are licensed. I did not say expiry of a driving license leads to declining your claim. You could be having a license that is expired. That is a traffic offense, not an offense regarding to the insurance. So if your driving license is expired, don't try to dodge that. That time is when now you want to get a different driver akudrivie gari juu driving license yake iko sawa and yours is expired. My friend, you are digging your own hole. You are digging your own grave. So if you are driving and maybe it's annoying, maybe being busy or something, ignorance, you find yourself you're involved in an accident, that is when you realize your driving license is expired. My friend, just say your driving license is expired, but you are a driver. That is a traffic offense and not an offense that could lead the insurer not to indemnify your claim. So guys, that was my today's finding. Follow this page, follow Ideal Muita, all platforms, Instagram Ideal Muita, Facebook Ideal Muita, TikTok Ideal Muita for this kind of content. We'll be giving you very educative content regarding to insurance, regarding to accident, regarding to pre-purchase inspection, assessment, reinspection, valuation, everything. So guys, keep in touch. This is my contact here. This is for consultation services. Ideal Loss Assessors is the place to be. 0702027413 is the number to call. Just a phone call away. In case you are in dilemma, in case you need clarification, on the comment section, tell me what you need to be clarified when you are involved in an accident. Also, filling your claim form is very important. Fill the claim form correctly. Don't lie on the claim form and say something different on the statement or recording a statement. I might have leave or left out some aspects that can lead to your claim to be repudiated, but those are the major causes of your claim to be deputed. So guys, keep in touch. Usiguze your dial.